Now, I'm going to revise something that I have done yesterday. Okay? All of you look up at the board. This is terrible. Who has got a tissue paper?
Oh my gosh.
Just another one. This is as flat as the other one. Okay. Silence, please. Okay. Alright. Class talk. Can you go now, any one of you? Go to the general office and tell them this is not now. After my lesson. Walao. Think what you can Skype. Okay. Now, first thing. Yesterday I talked about this. Look at the board. I want you to take out anything. A function in x, right? It can be fx, gx, or what? hx, whatever x. Okay? And let's say it's x squared plus 3x minus 6. What's the meaning of f1? When x takes the value of 1. So I will have 1 squared plus 3, 1 minus 6. 1 plus 3 minus 6, the answer is negative 2, right? Okay? So this is the meaning of function. Okay? And I also talk about maximum and minimum value. Correct? Now, in a completed square form, for example, this one is a U shape. Correct? That means it will have a minimum value. I'm talking. This minimum value of y will be 6, right? And it occurs at x equals to what? 2. Correct? Okay? That means this minimum value is 2, 6. Everybody clear? That means all the value of y must be bigger than 6. 6 is the least value. Okay? Now, if I have this, okay, I can also have plus 6. What does it mean? It's an n graph, right? Yes. It's an n graph. Okay. What is the maximum value? It's also 6, right? At where? X equals to 2, not minus 2. You don't take the count, you take the bracket. 2. Okay. That means now my maximum point is what? 2, 6. That means the maximum value is 6. And it occurs at x equals to 2. Understand? Yes. Yes or no? Okay. Now, how to look at this one being the minimum value and this one being the maximum value? I'm going to show you over here. Okay. Now, you understand this already? It's very good. Now, let's take a look at this part here. Can you see that I can say 6 plus x minus 2 square, right? Okay. Can you see that this one is either 0 or more? That means this one must be 6 or more, right? That's why this is the minimum value. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, I write this again. Okay, I forgot to square this. I can rewrite it this way, right? That means this one is 0 or more also. That means 6 minus this, 6 must be the maximum, right? Because if you minus something, it becomes lesser. Agree? That's why this is the maximum. So, if I write like that, you must know that it's also like that. Then we can see it better. Why is that so? Why is it 0 or more? Can you see that something square? If this something is 0, is 0. If this is a positive number, it will be a number, positive. If this is a negative number, even if you square, it becomes a positive number. Okay? So what you can say is that because this one is bigger or equal to 0, that means positive or 0. That's how you tell us mathematically. You understand? I'm using shapes for you to understand it better. Everybody okay? Alright, now let's take a look at page 4. I'm going to do example 3. Okay? I'm going to do example 3 on the board together with you. Okay, too small. Just a minute. Example 3. This is example 3, right? Correct. I know, I do 3 already. I only do 3A, and then go to 3B, so I have to repeat both. So that it's captured in one video in your device. Okay? Alright. Okay. I don't have to look at the pencil sign because that one is what I remind myself. Okay? Now let's take a look at the question. Express each of the following functions in the form like that. Now that means completed square form. Okay? Where A, H, and K are constants. Constants means numbers. Okay, can be fraction, can be anything. Okay, A not equals to 0. Now if A is 0, then when we talk about it, only just K. Hence, find the maximum or minimum value of fx. Justify your answers. Okay, what do you mean by justify answers? You must explain. Later on for exercise 1.1, I'm going to do it together with you. Because you are still new to AMS, you don't know how to present your answers. Okay, the simultaneous equation is okay because you have done it in Set 2 before, but not this one. Okay, now let's take a look here. A. Fx equals to 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. I told you before, when we do completing the square, the coefficient of x squared must be what? 1. Okay? To make it 1, I will have like that, right? Correct? Then I will have 3. Correct? Okay, you must be very fluent with this. This is x minus 1 squared minus 1/3. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, so this will be 3. What is this? Minus 1, right? Agree, class? Okay, this is already completed. The square is already completed. Okay, now let's take a look. Hence, find the minimum or maximum value, justify your answers. Now, you look at this. This is a U-shaped curve. Correct? Can you tell me what will be the minimum value? What's the minimum value of fx? It's -1, right? Can you see what I'm talking about? The minimum value is this one, right? -1. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, the minimum value is -1. But how do I justify it? That's the problem, right? How do I justify it? Okay. Let me just put something there to... Okay, I'm going to show you some justification over the side, okay? Oh, look at the board. How come? Now, I will write like that. Agree? Correct. Okay, all of you look up. Do you agree that this one is bigger equal to 0? Because the facts only do it in one line, I don't like. Okay? If I multiply by 3, this is still like that. Agree? Now, if I minus 1 from both sides, this will be -1, right? Correct? Now, this one is equivalent to what? Your fx, right? Can you see that your fx is bigger than equals to -1? That means the minimum value is what? -1. Everybody clear now? Everybody clear now? Yes. Yes, later I will teach you how to present, don't worry. I just want to tell you that this is how we write. Is that clear? Okay, because the text will only did in one line. Okay? Now, next, I'm going on to the second thing. Alright, let's look at B. Let's look at here. Fx is negative 2x squared minus 3x plus 3. Can I start completing the square?
No.
No. What must I do first? Not divide. I cannot divide. This is an expression. So, coefficient, take out negative 2x squared. Then what? Plus what? 3 over 2x. Then I know why become plus? Because minus mark, right? Then here, minus what? 3 over 2. Can see it now? You must factorize properly, you know. If not, the whole answer will be wrong. Okay? So, this will be negative 2x squared plus 3 over 2x plus something squared minus something squared minus 3 over 2. Now, remember in Emacs I told you, divide by 2 is the same as times what? Half. So what is 3 over 2 times half? 3 over 4. Very good. Is that clear? Is that clear? So don't be gong gong. I think you must divide and then divide only. Okay? So this will be a negative 2x plus 3 over 4 squared. Now, can you key this onto the calculator? What is this value in the bracket? Negative what? Give me in improper fraction. Huh? Negative what? What? 33 over 60. Now, can I leave it like that? Can I leave it like that? No. So this will be negative 2 plus what? 33 over 8 now, right? Because I got the 2. Can see it? Cannot forget, understand? Okay. Now, this is a negative coefficient, so it's an N shape, right? That means this is a maximum value, correct? Yes or no? So, maximum value of fx must be 33 over 8, right? Can see it? Huh? Wow, outside is negative 2. I times this one. This one you must bring to this and bring to this one. Correct now? So this one and this one is 1, this one is 8. Correct now? You cannot forget one. Okay? Alright now. Next, how do we justify? Okay? Now, if you don't want to rewrite, it's also okay. I have fx equals to negative 2x plus 3 over 4 squared plus 33 over 8, right? Correct? After I complete the square. Now, do everybody agree that x plus 3 over 4 squared must be equal to 0? Because it's a square, right? If I times a negative 2, careful, negative 2, and this side also times negative 2, what will happen? If I times a negative number, it does what? Flip. Agree? Okay? Anything else? Anything else that you want to see? Is this okay? I've already done it. Now, then another one to add is this one. Can you see I add to both sides? Correct. Can you see this one is this one already? Do you agree that this is fx already? Must be less than equal to 33 over 8. That is fx. The maximum value is this one. Other than that, all is less than. Can see it? Can you see what I'm talking about? That's why the maximum is this one. this clearer? Is this clearer? I'm using your Emax inequality to help you. Okay, always remember, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, the sign must split. Everybody clear so far? Okay, so that will be your example 3. Everybody okay? Alright, now next, can we move on to example 4? Page 6. All of you look at page 6. I'm going to show this. Okay, let's look at example 4. Show that, I want to write the whole thing out. Show that x squared minus 2x plus 6 is bigger equals to 5 for all real values of x. Some people do not understand what we mean by for all real values of x. That means x can take any value, but the expression there must be bigger equals to 5. That means, what does it mean? The minimum value is what? 5, right? Can see it now? Can see it now? But I cannot see like that. What you do is that this one, you got to complete the square first. Understand? Okay, let's complete the square. X squared minus 2x plus 1 squared minus 1 squared plus 6. How come I can start straight away? Coefficient of x squared is what? 1. Okay, so this one will give me x minus 1 squared plus 5, right? Can see it? Okay, that means the minimum value of this is 5, right? Correct. But that is not good enough. I haven't justified it. Am I right to say that? I didn't show. So, all of you look. X minus 1 squared is bigger equal to 0. Agree? When is it 0? When x is what? 1. Other than that, it's bigger than 0. Okay? Now, x minus 1 squared plus 5 bigger equals to 5, right? Add 5 to both sides. Now, can you see that this one is already this one? Can you see it now? So, this one is x squared minus 2x plus 6 bigger equals to 5. Sure. Understand now? Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Okay, so what's the important thing here? Class, you must know this one. What does this mean? That means this value is always bigger than or equal to 0. That means it's always a positive value or it's 0. Okay, therefore, this is the minimum value because I always add something. Everybody clear? I add 0 is itself lah. If I add something else, then it will become more and more and more. So 5 is the minimum value. Are we all clear so far? Are we all clear so far? Okay, very good. Next, can we take out the Emax content page? Is it number 2 now? Is it correct? Okay, number 2. Can you write down number 2? Okay. Number 2, write down today's date. Exercise 1.1. Maximum minimum values. Take out a piece of foolscap. And please write down the title. I'm walking down. If you're not doing what I say, you will get out of the class. Because I'm very irritated with some of you. Okay? Now, I will do one by one, yes? Yeah. I will do one by one. Understand? I will give you time to do also, but you must listen to my instructions. Is that okay? Alright, let's take a look now. Can we all turn to page 6? Can we look at question number 1? Because at the end of the day, I'm going to collect this piece of work. So if you don't give it to me, you tell me cannot, then something is wrong because I'm doing it together with you. Okay. Number 1. All of you look at page 6, question 1. Given that fx is 2x squared plus 1. 1. Find f3. Okay. What's the meaning of f3? X take the value of 3. Okay. Don't just give me the answer. Can you write down this? Then you give me your calculator answer. All of you do it now. Page 6, that's correct. Cannot say don't have answer one. You must at least show the substitution. Okay, if you can get this one wrong now, then there's nothing I can do to you. What's your answer? 19. Very good. Let's take a look at part 2. Now, if I put equal, you also put equal with nothing. I'm going to throw the paper away. Because you're not serious in the work. Get it? Okay, what's the next part? F what? F what? Negative 2. Okay. F negative 2. So this will be 2. Negative 2 squared plus 1, right? Must show the substitution. Okay, answer? 9. Okay, so far so very good. If I don't use the calculator, you must know that this is 4, not negative 4. Understand? Yeah. So it's 8 plus 1, 9. Everybody okay? This is how you present your work. Because why I need to lay this foundation? Because when we go to numerator vector theorem, this is required. Understand? Okay? Alright, now next thing. Let's take a look at the last part. What did they say? Number 3. Part 3. What did they say? Find all possible real values of fx. That means what can fx take? Okay? Part 3. Fx is 2x squared plus 1. I'm right to say that? Yes or no? Teach you x squared is always bigger or equal to 0, right? Correct. So 2x squared will also be always bigger or equal to 0, right? So 2x squared plus 1 will be bigger or equals to 1. Agree now? Yes or no? So what does this give me? This is what? Fx. So fx must be bigger equals to 1, right? Can you see it now? So they ask you what possible values, real values of fx. That means fx must be bigger equals to 1. But from here, right, this one we need to take out. I'm just telling you what it means here. It's actually, alright, it's like completed square form. Can you see the minimum value is 1? Can you see it now? The minimum value is 1. But you cannot just say that, you must show it mathematically. Understand? So that's how we do question 1. Are you clear now? Are you clear now? I'm trying to be very clear now, because if not, later you run into trouble. Okay? Alright, good. So that's your question 1. Next, can we look at question 2D? 2D. I want you to write down this first. minus 6x plus 2. They want this in completed square form. Can see it now? Okay. What do you do first? Take out what? 3. Am I right? Then 3 open bracket. Keep quiet now. X squared minus 2x plus something squared minus something squared plus 2/3, right? What is this? 1. I want to know x plus or minus. Yes. Minus 1 squared. What is this? Negative 1. 1/3? This is negative 1 squared is 1, right? Negative 1, right? Plus 2/3 will become what? Negative 1/3, right? Okay. I want Eva to tell me, if I expand the bracket, what do I do? What's the first one? Because just now you don't know, now you must know. 3 what? 3? Not Tian Yue, but stand up. 3. This times this give you minus 1. Alright. This will be the completed square form. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay. Now, I'm going to give you one. You are going to do it yourself. Okay? I will not go through. If you have it wrong, then that's a problem. I will mark it and then you have it wrong. You have to do corrections. Okay? Can I have question 2G and complete the square? 2G and 2H. Done. Now, this is revision of EMAS. 12:45 I will go through. Yes. So because it can be 1 or any value more than 1. So this is 1 or 1. Correct. voltage first. Okay? You must get this one, right? 2H, the first line, you must get this one, right? Correct, right? Then you complete the square, okay? Alright, you know how to continue, right? Actually, it's this one that I complete. Okay? Because in AMATS, right, you cannot say you don't know how to manipulate. Then we defeat the purpose of taking maths, okay? Now, I want everybody to look up. No doing yet. I take out negative half, this will be x squared, right? This one will become a plus, correct? Now, do you know how times what we do? This one is what? 6x1. You see it? That means, you see, it must be equivalent, right? So, this one is a plus, so this is a minus, right? So, what should this be to get 5? Then, this is why I chose this question. You must know this. Don't just tell me I know how to take out the number, I don't know how to take out fraction. Everybody clear? Can I rewrite? Once I write like that, easier to rewrite. Can or cannot? Can, Why is that so? Because when I multiply it, I must get back the original. Okay? Now, give you some more time, you finish this. Okay, 12:45 sharp. I will start the next question. Okay? Okay, those who have done, look at 5-3. The question says, find the maximum or minimum value of fx and the corresponding value of x. So first of all, find what? The maximum or minimum value of what? Fx and the corresponding value of x. That means at where it occur. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you one. Then the next one you do it yourself. Okay? Talking to you. Okay, now, can I straight away complete the square? No. No, I have to take out -1, right? So the x squared plus 2x minus 3. Right now. Wait. Alright, okay. Negative x squared plus 2x this is a 1, right? Easy, whole class, x what? Plus 1 squared. Negative 1. Negative 4. Can we leave it like this? No. Negative x plus 1 squared, then plus 4. So it's a maximum curve, right? So what's the maximum value? Maximum fx is 4, right? At where? At x equals to what? -1. Correct now? Correct now? Yes. Yes, huh? Okay, good. Then, the next one. Next one. Silence, please. encourage people to complete the square yet. Always check that it is in the correct order. If it's not in the correct order, you must rearrange. So this one becomes what? 3x squared. 3x squared minus 3x plus 2, right? Okay, take out the 3, right? Continue. Then, can you tell me, is this a positive or negative coefficient? Positive, so it's you, right? So, you will write minimum fx equal to what? And x equals to what? Okay, 3 minutes. Yes, Jason? Nothing, huh? What should I be waiting? I waited for a long time already. Don't sit down there and talk, and after that I want to bring down and tell me wait. I don't wait for you again. You are slow, that's all. Those who have finished, may I know what's your minimum value? Minimum value is how? Are you sure? Alright, correct. Do you get a 5 over 4? What is the x value? At x half, right? Correct now? Correct now? Yeah? You look at the coefficient of x squared, this is the shape. So it will be a minimum. Remember, this is also math, cannot forget one, okay? Alright, if it's negative, right, Michelle? It will be like that, right? Then it will be next. Okay, okay? Ready? Yeah? You don't know what to do. Why the minus 3? You rearrange is 3 now, right? Or minus 3? You cannot put a minus, it's not a minus. You must put x squared first, then x, then 2. Where the minus 3, you tell me? Your head, Cannot no, cannot get wrong. Wrong means die already. Understand what I'm saying, okay, good. That's a 5C, Next question. Are we okay so far? Like, you know what? Taking airplane or what? Wave to people. Big farewell, is it? Alright. Next one. Can you look at question number 6? This one all I must show your presentation. Number 6. No talking and stop laughing. I didn't know maths is so laughable. Can you write down the question? Given fx is x squared minus 2x plus 3. Show that fx is bigger equals to 2 for all real values of x. Now I need to tell you what does this mean, okay? Copy down the question and stop talking. Now, the question is this. What is this? You're supposed to show that. You're not supposed to assume that. Understand? You're supposed to show. Alright? So, everybody, need to complete the square. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Do you get this?
Yeah.
Don't say like that, oh, show already now, heaven. You got to tell them mathematically. Correct? Okay, all of you right. Look up, I'm going to show on that side. Because if not, I write too low, the back cannot see. Okay? Continue. This is the explanation. After you reach here, right, you must still write. X minus 1 squared is always bigger equal to 0. Correct? So, x minus 1 squared plus 2 will be bigger equals to 2, right? Correct? Now, this one is equivalent to my mx, correct? So, mx is bigger equals to 2. Show it. Understand?
Yes.
You cannot straight away say here bigger equals to 2, bigger equals to 2. You cannot. You are supposed to show. Understand now?
Yes.
Everybody clear now? Everybody clear now? Okay, good. Next one. Question 7. All of you look at question 7. Copy down the question. Now, the question says, is always what? Negative. What does always negative means? Less than 0, right? Can it be equal to 0? No. 0 is a non-negative, non-positive. It's a neutral integer. Remember I told you that before? Okay, question 7. First of all, a lot of people will start completing the square or take out 4, blah 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 blah. But they will realize what? It is not in the correct order. Correct now? Don't blindly do your maths. Okay, first of all, can you arrange in the correct order first? Negative x squared plus 4x minus 7, correct? This is in the correct order. Okay, question 7. Alright, can you complete the square for me first? This one. Yeah. Because sometimes we can use it for purpose. It's really not that, I will show you what it says. Now, if I dot, you also dot. When I mark the word, I will write down two dot. I will bring a permanent marker and dot your face. Remember I told you before? Okay, then you will have 3 dots on your face. What does it mean? That means never do working. I will announce to the whole school, those have 3 dots on the face means never do maths working. Okay, I will email everyone. Miss Yap, delete. Okay. Now, what is negative 1 bracket x minus 2 squared. Then also know the last word. Negative 3, right? Everybody okay? Can or not? But I have not shown it, no. They must make sure it's always what? Negative. That means it must be less than what? 0. Okay? Okay. All of you look up. How do we present this? X minus 2 squared must be bigger or equal to 0, right? Because it's always a 0 or positive. Correct? When I times a negative 1, what will happen? Flip, right? Less than equals to 0. What negative 1? 0 times negative 1 is 0. Okay? Now, next, I minus 3 on both sides. Correct? Yes or no? Now, do you agree that this one is the same as the original one? This is less than equals to negative 3. Correct? Okay. Now, all of you look up. Do you agree that this one less than equals to negative 3 must always be smaller than negative 3? Yeah? Huh? What negative? Where got negative? Why is it negative 3? Are you awake? Okay, I'm talking to you right now. Huh? No, I want you to answer me. X squared plus 4x. Then plus something squared minus something squared plus 7, right? No. throw you off the bus. Huh? 2 times. Times 2. Okay, I will see what other expression. Now I hope that you realize that I'm quite kind here, because this is the first time you don't know how to present, I'm presenting for you. Next time must present this way, understand? Don't put anyhow write nonsense like that, essay like that, don't know what you're doing. I'm not an English teacher, you know. By the way, if I teach English, you should fail because my English cannot make it. Okay? Because I will infuse Hokkien inside. So most likely I will fail.